Hi and welcome to Rainbow Unicorn Cat 1 channel. In this video, I'm going to unbox Truly Me's number 105 and 114 for you. When American Girl had their Christmas sale and they had great deals on Truly Me dolls, I went on YouTube to look up these two dolls and see if I'd like to get one. And there were no video reviews. I was shocked, I was surprised, so I decided we should do it. These two dolls don't have any wigs and they're supposed to represent little girls with alopecia, which is a condition that prevents hair on your head from growing. And there are several medical conditions that can cause alopecia, but I'm just really happy that American Girl made sure that girls who have this condition can be seen in their Truly Me line. So we got two dolls. One is a classic mold, Caucasian, and one is Sonali mold, dark skin. I'm going to start with Truly Me number 105. She is a Caucasian classic mold with blue eyes, no hair. On American Girl website, her skin tone is described as light to medium skin tone with warm undertones. Her eyes are described as light blue, and her outfit is called the artsy side outfit. Here she is. Look how pretty. It's actually kind of unusual to see an American Girl doll without a wig. She's my first one, she and number 114, because I purchased them at the same time. Now let's open her and take a closer look. And by the way, if you're new to our channel and interested in all American Girl related content but not yet subscribed to us, you should definitely do so. And if you turn on the notification bell, YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. I like how American Girl put extra kind of thin foamy sheet between her head and the box so the head doesn't get scratched. They don't do it with other dolls, just with these two, and I think that was really nice of them. I love how smooth her head looks. Look at this. Wow, she is my first one of two first dolls with alopecia and I absolutely love it. First of all, I think it is important to have all girls represented, and we know American Girl is making some steps in the right direction. I'm really happy I purchased this doll and I did it at the right time. I think the price was right. Look how pretty she is. Well, the outfit is nothing special. We've seen it before. I've seen it before, right? But the doll is just too pretty. I just love, I love how her face looks so unusual without a wig. And definitely let me know in the comments if you have any dolls without hair. I think this is actually a great opportunity for customization as well if you wanted to paint hair. That would be quite a different look from actual hair. I think that would be a really, really interesting idea. I don't think I'm going to do anything to this doll because she is one of my two first dolls without hair. So I'm absolutely keeping them that way. But I might purchase another one if American Girl is having another sale to make kind of a buzz cut. I don't know. We'll see. This is actually, I'm intrigued. I'm intrigued by the possibilities. And of course, I don't know what the sale numbers are, what the demand is for these two dolls, if it makes sense for American Girl to make them, but I hope there is demand because I personally just purchased two of them. And the fact that there are no other video reviews of these two dolls on YouTube right now makes me think that the demand might not be quite as high as the demand for the other Truly Me dolls, but I hope that changes. I hope you see this video and decide to buy them because they're so pretty. And here's my number 105 wearing a casual outfit. If you have any ideas, name ideas for her, drop me a comment below. And now let's take a look at Truly Me number 114, who also doesn't have a wig. She has dark skin, brown eyes, and Sonali face mold. And I think she can represent a variety of ethnicities. The American Girl website describes her skin tone as deep skin with neutral undertones, or number 30. I believe Sonali mold is universally loved, and look how pretty she looks. It's just such a beautiful face mold. This is her meet outfit. Again, I have so many meet outfits from the newest Truly Me dolls that I don't know what to do with. I'm really happy American Girl came up with a new meet outfit, the purple plaid outfit. I think that dress is much better than any of the other currently available Truly Me outfits that come with the Truly Me dolls, right? So this doll also had extra packaging in the spot where the back of her head meets the box, which again is very impressive. These are expensive dolls, so I'm glad American Girl is making sure they get delivered safely and free of any scratches. That's why they have this packaging around their wrists too, and around their legs. Very nice. Okay, let's take a closer look at this doll. As I already mentioned, I love Sonali mold, and let me know in the comments if you love Sonali mold too. And I know this is not the original Sonali mold. This one is kind of modified, but she's still very pretty. And I'm kind of getting obsessed with how smooth her head is. I don't know, I just want to touch it all the time. It's just such a different look and such a different feel. I wasn't sure if I was going to love her, but you know what? I absolutely love her. I do love Sonali mold. I do prefer the original one, but this doll is just so different and so pretty, and I purchased her at a really good price during the sale. And I know that purchasing her at a full price would feel like you getting less because you're not getting the wig. And I used to think, well, maybe I can just buy a different doll and remove the wig and, you know, keep her as a doll without hair. But then there's so much work involved in removing the wig, and then the head is not going to be that smooth. You know, there's always glue left over and you'd have to polish it. So much work involved. I'm happy that I purchased her during the sale. I think she's a very unique addition to our collection. So let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on this doll. Know if you think American Girl should continue working on creating more diverse dolls that look a little bit different. For example, dolls with prosthetic limbs. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button. And if you enjoy all American Girl related content but not yet subscribed to our channel, you should definitely do so. And if you turn on the notification bell, YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time.